Good morning, traders. This is Zach with 3 Peaks Trading. Sorry for missing you last week. I was just taking the week off with the holiday and everything here in America. Two stocks we're kind of watching, ASLN and AKTX. ASLN had a great run on Friday. Looking to buy this as soon as it pops over 707 probably. Nope, I don't want to do that. Whew. I don't actually think that's going to run. I don't know why I was reading this line like a an entry point. That's actually the high from Friday, which doesn't really do much for me as an entry point. A little rusty already. Let me start getting the scanner running, if it will. Alright, the market doesn't exist. That is quite the sell-off. Now it looks like it's doing something. ASLN looks a little too, what's the word for it? Volatile, I guess, to trade right now. I can't really predict the pattern at all when it's moving that much. It also has insane volume. Almost 600,000 on the first candle. What is TRPX doing? I see that bounce from like 20-some% to like 15%. It must have really wide movements here. Yeah, the spread's getting like 20 cents in there. So that's probably why it's moving so much when it's that small of a stock. That kind of movement would cause it. I wonder why ASLN is not showing up in here. It must be a market cap thing. little out of my price range, but there's a halted stock. Kodiak. Whoops. What? That's awesome. I have no idea how that works, but that is awesome. First candle to make a new high, I guess. Wow. It's like I don't even know how to zoom out enough to make that fit. Wow. 3 candles for... How is that not halted? That has to be. Yep, there it is. Holy... That's awesome. Okay, so that was halted 9:36:02 or 7:36:02. So we'll start 5 minutes after that, but that's almost $2 run on a $6 stock in 3 minutes. $0.10 spread. Everybody's running. What's this? 40 cents. 50 cents. That's getting real close to halting as well. Interesting. It started to go a little sideways and I was just getting nervous. Rather safe than sorry. I have a tendency to go very negative at the beginning of the day and then have to make my way back for the rest of the day. So try not to have that happen. So it's kind of pausing here. I'm still looking for another entry, I guess, but that one was just getting a little sketchy. I'm expecting like a little red candle here and then probably surpass it and keep moving for 385. So it didn't even make the red candle, it just started moving anyway. I think I definitely could have gotten in here, but like I said, playing it safe. Ooh, yeah. I got in all the way at the top, didn't I? Yep. I wanted to buy the break of the resistance, looking for the scalp to $4, but I timed that pretty poorly. There we go. Sorry for my dogs playing in the background. There's a little $18 profit. I want to start looking. Oh man, it's some resistances like there-ish, but this is also about to resume. Wow. One second. Break it up. That is an incredible move. So I'm not trading that ever again. That is terrifying to be like locked in here and just watch it drop that far. And it got halted on the way down, of course. That stock is so volatile. I'm excited to see the recap of some of the more experienced day traders to see what they kind of take away from that. Or if they were able to profit off of it. So maybe look for a re-entry at 416 if it starts moving like that. That was supposed to be 300. I'm glad to see the volume still isn't surpassing the green, the highest green. This got halted again on the way up. That's really making moves. 34 to 60. That's impressive. And this is reversing a little too hard. This could resume, I think, at 47 flat, 747. So watching that a little bit. GLG just popped on the scanner. Do I want to keep an eye on NVAX? Yes. It's kind of low. That's why it just popped over the $1.50 mark. Kind of cheap. This has some exciting movement. Looks like there's some resistance right around here. I would like to see if there's a way to automatically switch the quantity to however many I have open. So if like I buy 300, I want to sell at 300, and the reason for that is like if I go into a $1.60 stock, I'm probably going to be looking like 300 to 500 shares when the movement is going to be pretty tight. And then I'm going to go over to something like this at $8-ish and trade 100, and then I may end up with some shares left over. And that's actually what happened to me with S&D here. I had 200 open shares for like 2 weeks when I never meant for it to be that way. Nothing really else moving. I think this has moved to go up to this resistance, back up. Try again at the high of day. It's also not moving very quickly whatsoever, so I feel a little safer. That's the movement I was waiting for. Of course, right after I hop out. Yeah. Another couple bucks at most. If it crosses high of day, I could be looking for a bit of a move. Wow. Yeah, I guess I would be looking for a move probably up to the $6 mark, because I don't see much other resistance coming up soon. Another halted stock. I don't even know what that means, but I'm not going to be trading that anytime soon. Oops. And this just got halted again on a move up. That's over $6 in a couple candles. Yeah. I wish I had the funds to trade stocks like this. That would be insane. Then again, that's very rare, at least as far as I know. I think this is the VWAP. Yeah, I was expecting some resistance at the VWAP, so I hopped out. It actually looks like that kind of happened too. My reasoning for hopping in this, I know it was super volatile earlier. The volume has kind of contained itself, and resistance wise, or sorry, support wise, there's this support line a lot closer than the next resistance, so I expected there to be some upward movement. It was kind of consolidating right here. As I got in, I realized the VWAP also could create some resistance, which is why I ended up hopping out on that. Overall, quick scalp. Probably not the smartest move, though. This is still creating a pretty nice channel upward. I would like it to cross a new high a day and show a little strength up there, and I'll probably be hopping in. I also haven't checked this in a while. I wish there was a way to see like recent volume. Volume in the last 10 minutes, for instance. Maybe volume diff. So that's volatility difference. Interesting. And that was kind of what I was expecting, was this channel had to be broken either on the low or the high. If it went high, I was waiting until after this. If it went low, it kind of breaks the whole pattern. So I actually would have even shorted that if I knew how. I wonder if this still creates resistance since it was a previous high of day. It actually looks like right in here is more resistance. Just kind of breaking over that. If it goes past this candle, it's breaking that. Answers that. Another halt today. Very low volume though. Oh, and it's a downward halt. That may be it. That's about a half hour. Interested to see how I did over the day. Was I all positive? That's potentially a first where I've had an all positive day. Total of $34 in gains. Three really tiny trades, but that's making progress. Thanks for joining me. I hope you guys will join again tomorrow. Have a good one.